Gwen here with your self-care tip tool strategy of the week. So this week we are focusing on smiling. Smiling is a great self-care strategy. It's contagious. It's a great way to start your day. So if you can just smile, you are on the way. Research has shown that as kids, we smiled a whole lot more, and I get it. We only had to go to school, play, eat and sleep as kids. We didn't have the struggles and stress that we have as adults with work and family and bills and all of those things that, can dull or take away those opportunities for you to smile. But research shows that smiling, if you are smiling more, people see you as competent. They see you as approachable. They see you as courteous. You're more productive. Smiling helps to reduce stress, reduces blood pressure. There are just so many benefits to something as simple as smiling. So again, smiling is a great self-care strategy. It makes you more likable. So practice smiling more, guys, with fidelity. Take time to actually make a conscious effort to just smile more and see if it makes a difference. That's all. Just smile. Super easy this week. Smile, smile, smile. So remember, if you like these videos, go to my YouTube channel and subscribe and like so that you can see future videos. And remember, self-care matters. Take care, guys.